A day after Manish Sisodia wrote a scathing letter to Yogendra Yadav accusing him of trying to break the unity in the party, the leader has shot off a letter to the Aam Aadmi Party's Political Affairs Committee. In his letter, Yogendra Yadav raising questions over Arvind Kejriwal's leadership, asking if he's a leader or a supremo.
देखिए, अभी जो भी चीज़ें हुई हैं उसका मूल्यांकन राष्ट्रीय कार्यकारिणी करेगी। जो भी घटनाएं हुई हैं उसको नोटिस करेगी, उन सारे चीज़ों पर कार्यकारिणी चर्चा करेगी और 3 दिन के बातचीत के बाद जो पार्टी के अंदर संगठनात्मक कार्रवाई के लिए जो कदम उठाने हैं आगे के लिए उसको भी उठाएगी, संगठन निर्माण के लिए अपनी योजना बनाएगी और इन सारे चीज़ों पर आगे की कार्रवाई। देखिए, व्यक्तिगत स्तर पे कोई भी कोई प्रश्न उठा सकता है, अपना विचार रख सकता है, लेकिन पार्टी राष्ट्रीय कार्यकारिणी में सारे पहलुओं पे चर्चा करके अपना निर्णय लेगी।
पॉलिटिकल अफेयर्स कमेटी एक्सपैंडेड होगी क्या या डिसबैंडेड डिसॉल्व होगी?
नहीं, ये राष्ट्रीय कार्यकारिणी तय करेगी।
ये लड़ाई जो है ये हरियाणा से शुरू हुई है और वहाँ पे वॉलेंटियरों को इशू को लेके हुई है, टिकटों के इशू को लेके, हार की जिम्मेदारी लेने के इशू को लेके हुई है। अब उसमें उनको लग रहा है कि भाई अरविंद को लपेटने से शायद कुछ न कुछ उनको फायदा होता होगा। अरविंद का तो उसमें कोई इशू ही नहीं था। अरविंद का कहाँ इशू है? झगड़ा तो हमारा चल रहा है भाई, आप लोगों को पता है, हमारा आपसे थोड़ी चल रहा है, 15 दिन से चल रहा है कंटिन्यू। अब उसके लिए कि भाई अरविंद पार्टी से निकालें नवीन को जल्दी से जल्दी, तो स्वराज है। अगर वो नहीं निकाल रहे हैं तो ये योगेंद्र जी कह रहे हैं ना कि 48 घंटे में कार्रवाई करो। अरे ऐसा क्या कर दिया भाई, 48 घंटे में कार्रवाई करो। अब वो नहीं कर रहे हैं तो तानाशाही है। अब लीडर और सुप्रीमो की ट्रांसलेशन में मतलब 2 साल लगेगा उनको पढ़ने में कि लीडर क्या होता है, सुप्रीमो क्या होता है। अब तक नहीं, ये तो वो बताएंगे ना योगेंद्र जी। भाई सब कुछ अच्छा चल रहा था तो स्वराज भी था और नेता भी था और वो सबसे मिलकर भी डिसीजन लेता था, और जब सब कुछ अच्छा नहीं चल रहा है तो अब वो सुप्रीमो भी हैं, अब वहाँ पे तानाशाही भी है, अब वहाँ पे स्वराज भी है।
Joining us on our big story, Pooja Shali, who's been reporting on all the goings on that's happening within the Aam Aadmi Party. Pooja, you're joining us from outside Arvind Kejriwal's residence. There's a meeting going on underway. So what are your sources telling you? What's happening within the meeting? What is being discussed presently?
Well, this is in fact Prashant Bhushan's residence in South Delhi, where the National Executive Meet is currently on. All the leaders have in fact arrived here. The meeting has been on for the past in fact 4 hours. And what's most interesting is that it is literally a letter of war, a war of letters in fact. And it is not only a strongly worded letter that has been sent from Yogendra Yadav, where he is questioned with 3 basic pointers. One, he in fact has gone further and asked, is Arvind Kejriwal a leader or a supremo? In many ways, is he hinting that Arvind Kejriwal is turning out to be a dictator? Then he says that the volunteers are not even considered, their views are not considered, and most importantly, the PAC, which is in many ways the Political Affairs Committee, it is the core committee. Why is it becoming so powerful that when new leaders are emerging, they are not being included? Why is there no expansion? And to this, Manish Sisodia in fact has sent a very strong reply, and what he has to say is, why are you making these allegations against Arvind Kejriwal? Are you trying to finish off the party? You in fact asked us with your specific surveys that we should contest from Haryana on all seats and then across the country. The results of course were disastrous. You are not referring to that. You are not in fact taking care of the fight that went into public between you and Naveen Jain. So these are of course the words that would exchange. It remains to be seen if Arvind Kejriwal will really be able to keep the flock together. Back to you.
Pooja, absolutely, like you are telling us, this is also following the series of resignations and reports of internal rift. We're also seeing at this point a war of letters, so as to say. But at that National Executive Meet, what are your sources telling you? How long is the meeting going to be lasting, and what is really happening inside?
Well, the meeting is expected to in fact go on till about 6:37 p.m. and of course, you know, there are about 25 to 30 members who have arrived. There are special invitees as well. Resignations, of course, whether or not it will be discussed, but the fact is there are members sitting inside, including Anjali Damania, who in fact had literally resigned yesterday, but then by evening she withdrew her resignation. Yogendra Yadav resigning from one of the most important positions of Political Affairs Committee. We of course had Shazia Almi's resignation in the past from the party. On the whole, also. Of course, it is certainly the party knows that when the senior leadership itself cannot keep the flock together, there is certainly going to be an embarrassing situation, considering that the national capital is going to go for re-elections anytime soon. But I can tell you that in the past as well, AAP has in fact tried to bounce back. But will this really be possible now when Manish Sisodia and Yogendra Yadav, the founder members of the party, are in fact at loggerheads? But certainly sources telling us that Arvind Kejriwal has sent out a strong word to all the members and is trying to keep the party together at least till Delhi elections again happen. Back to you.
Thanks, Pooja, for joining us. You'll continue to be with us with all the details that are happening in that national executive. Now, following the series of resignations and reports of internal rifts, it's the political parties that are trading their gun at the Aam Aadmi Party, with both the Congress and the BJP now blaming the party chief for not being able to keep his flock together. Let's listen in.
सर, ये आप शुरू से देखो, ये पार्टी नहीं है, ये वो उठता है, गुब्बारा सा फूलता है। अब उस गुब्बारे को फूले को शेप नहीं कह सकते उसको। इनके आपस के इतने कंट्रोवर्सीज है, इतने झगड़े हैं, कोई किसी के अधीन काम करने को तैयार नहीं है। वो केजरीवाल साहब डिक्टेटरशिप तरीके से काम करते हैं। आप इनकी शुरुआत में देखें, इन्होंने कहा कि हम जनता से राय लेंगे हर बार में। आप बताइए कौन से फैसला जनता से पूछ के कराए इन्होंने?
Well, generally, political parties after a massive defeat goes into introspection. Aam Aadmi Party wanted to showcase themselves as a non-conventional party, as an alternate party, political party. Unfortunately, they are behaving no less than what the Congress has been behaving, and therefore, if you see, like the Congress is guarding, protecting the Gandhi family and blaming everybody else. The same is the state in Aam Aadmi Party. Everybody is to be blamed except Mr. Kejriwal.